Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a fish dish from cotton country, Kerala. It's called fish Molee. It's a very light dish which is perfect for summers. So let's look at the ingredients that is required for this. Obviously fish. I'm using tilapia fish here. You can also use seerfish, pomfret or pearl spot or curry mean for this recipe. I've already marinated it in pepper powder, turmeric powder, salt and lime juice. So this has been sitting for around 30 minutes. So you need to make sure you marinate it for at least 30 minutes. Then we need curry leaves, sliced onion, coconut oil, ginger, green chilies, garlic, salt, turmeric fennel powder, crushed pepper, 1 tomato, first extract of coconut milk and the second extract of coconut milk. So let's jump into the process. Step 1. I've got a frying pan on fire. This is on medium heat. First step is to fry all the fish pieces in this oil. This is coconut oil that I'm using. Once the oil heats up, we put in the pieces and we lightly fry them. We do not want to make it brown. We just want to lightly fry it on the pan so that it doesn't break down when you put it into the gravy. So that's basically what I'm going to do first. So let's wait for the oil to get hot. Coconut oil heats very fast, so it's ready. Stay a little away from the pan because it's got a little bit of water in it, so it's going to splatter everywhere. Just so the skin doesn't stick, I'm just giving it a twirl. So now we are going to cook this basically. Just half done. We don't even need them to get brown because then the whole consistency of the fish will change. Just lightly cooked, and then we transfer it into a bowl and keep it aside. So let's wait for it to brown. You can see the fish is cooked halfway through. That's just how much we want to cook it. I'm going to just switch off the gas and transfer the fish into a towel, kitchen towel, so that the excess oil can be absorbed. I've got a pan on fire. So in this we're going to make the gravy. So heat it up. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once this heats up, in goes garlic and ginger. Do not brown any of the ingredients in this dish. We are going to just lightly saute them. Now I'm adding green chilies. Once the chilies are all blistered up, onions. I've thinly sliced the onion. We just need to saute the onions until it becomes pink or translucent. The onions have become pink now and they've softened. Now we are going to add pepper, fennel powder, turmeric powder into this. We're also going to add salt. Remember that we have already added salt in the fish, so please adjust accordingly. Now we want the raw smell of the turmeric to go before we add in the fish. Saute it for a few minutes. Into this mixture, now we are going to add in the fried fish. Once you add the fish, please be careful because fish is really delicate, and if you keep pushing it around on the pan, it's going to break down, and that's not something that we want. So we're just going to take the onions and put it over the fish. Lightly toss it around. And we are going to add the second extract of coconut milk, the thin coconut milk. We're going to add into this. Fire to sim. And just twirl it a little. We're going to let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes, wherein it will start boiling. It's come to a boil. Bring down the fire. I'm adding the first extract of the coconut milk. Immediately switch off the gas. Give it another twirl. Pour some coconut oil. Add some curry leaves. I've sliced some tomato, very thin slices. I'm going to just put it on top of the curry. We need to close this up until we are ready to use it. So fish molee is ready. Do try it at home. This goes well with appam, idiyappam or plain white bread. It tastes very good with bread, so you should definitely try this. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.